Hello guys, this is Ali Solanki and today in this video we'll be going through how to create and earn through a blog website. So we'll be going through the two different ways in which you can create your blogging website. One is through creating it with blogger.com or medium.com, which is really simple and it's not really complicated at all. It will only take you the sign up process, and after you sign up with medium or blogger.com you can publish your own blogs directly, and I'll be showing all of these things to you as well. So stick till the end because I will also be talking about how to earn money and how much money you can earn through blogging, which will really blow your mind. So stick till the end because there are a lot of cool stuff that we'll be talking about in this particular video. So let's start with the first way to create your own blogging website, and that is through blogger.com. Okay, so who should use blogger.com, who should use medium.com? For blogger.com, I would say if you're going to create some affiliate products, or you are getting into fashion, travel, food, or even lifestyle, those kind of blogs usually go well with blogger.com. That's what I've realized. And with medium there are more of technical, productivity, crypto, and entrepreneurship. Those are the kind of blogs that do well on medium.com. So choose your blogging website carefully before you start. Now once you start, you can just go over to blogger.com. So in order to create your own blog, first of all you need to sign up with blogger.com, and once you sign up you'll see a dashboard something like this. You can then add in a new blog. I have some blogs already set up, I don't know why. But yeah, you can add in the title. So I'll add in the title as YouTube journey, my YouTube journey. So that's my blog's name, and the address we'll keep it to alisolank.blogspot.com. So that's available, and yeah, let's save it. So now you can see there are no posts right now on Blogspot. You can just add new post and just start writing. You add in your title, my first blog, right? And here you can add in, say, your heading, and I won't be getting you bored with all of the things, so let me just fast forward this part. And once you're done writing your blog, you can then press on publish, and when you confirm it, it will publish your entire blog, and you can even preview it. So just press on preview post, and this is how your entire blog will look like. So once you've published it, you can even see it on the particular link that you had kept for your blog. So blogspot.com. So that is the link that I had kept. Now if I go over to that link, I can see my entire blog live right now. So even you can check it out. By the way, you can even comment over here. So this is a nice blog, right? So you can comment anything, you can add in new things, you can add a lot of things with blogger.com. But yeah, that's how you add your first blog. So the second way in which you can add your own blogs is through medium.com. Now again, medium.com is really simple. You just have to sign up, and once you sign up, you can then follow different kinds of blogs. You can write your own blog. So here the blogs are called as stories. So here you can see write a story over here. So click over there, add your own title, my first blog again. So my first blog. So yeah, I've finally edited my entire blog, and now I can just go ahead and publish it. So click on publish. You can even change the preview image if you want, but yeah, I'll just keep it to this. And you can add in new tags. So here I'll just add in Ali Solanki, and now you can just press on publish now to add it to your medium blog. So there you go, you have the story link as well. You can share it with your friends. So let me just show it to you. So this is my entire blog. You can go over to this website and actually check it out as well. So yeah, as you can see, blogger.com and medium.com, both of these websites were very simple to create a blog on. Now the second way in which you can create your own website is through website builders, and website builders like wix.com or WordPress and stuff like that, ghost.org, these are really good alternatives in which you can create your own blogging website and add in new features, like you can add in an e-commerce platform, you can add in membership plans, you can add in a lot of things that you can monetize on after you add your blog. So that's why if you're a professional blogger, I would really recommend you to go with something with a website builder, or if you're a technical person who knows how to write code, I would recommend you to go with this particular method. So first let's talk about website builders. So here we have wix.com open up, and you can then sign in and actually just start creating your own website from scratch. I'll show you how you can do that. So continue with Google. Let me just start a new website. So let me log in, and once you log in, you can click on create new site button, which will take you on another dashboard, and it will ask you certain questions as well. So here you can see you can add in a lot of different websites. So here I'll be choosing blog and click on next. After this, you would be asked what are the things that you want to add. As I said, you can add in an online store, you can add in forms, you can add in chat, you can add a lot of different things. But for now, I will just keep a blog and a chat. So not even a chat, to be honest, I'll just keep a blog here. So now you're prompted with two different options. This particular option, which is create your website with an editor, is a drag and drop option wherein you can add in some elements and do all this stuff by yourself, or you can have the Wix AI to create a website for yourself. So we'll go with this because this is actually much easier to do. And now we will add the name of our blog. So my first or actually my YouTube journey, that's the name of the blog, and let's click on next. We can add in different things over here, but I'll skip this. I can add in a logo as well, so I'll add this particular logo. I can add in my address, phone number, and all sorts of things, but I don't want to do that now. And here you will be prompted to ask the kind of design or kind of theme that you want for your website. So I'll keep it minimal. And as you can see, it has already created 3 websites for us. So this is one of the website, this is the second website, and this is the third website. So whichever design that you like and you want to customize further on, you can do that. So for now, I will go with this particular website because I like that design. And you can add in different pages as well, about page, Instagram page, contact code. I'll add in the Instagram page because I really like that particular feature. You can add in other things as well, but I'll just go on to edit the site now. So here you can see that our website is now finally set up. You can change some things over here. Say for example, I don't want this particular address to be shown, so I can click on edit and just go over here and just remove the address part, and it will go away. I also don't want my email address and my phone number. So yeah, you can basically do all of these things without having to actually code all of these things down. And then once you're done, you can preview it, and if you like the preview, you can then publish it. So I'll just publish it over here, and I'll write it as Ali Solanki, and publish and continue. So as you can see, our website is now live. So this is the website, llol73776.wixsite.com/ali_slnk-1. Now you can connect it to your own domain as well. I won't be deep diving into it, but I will be showing you how to add your own blog. So we are on the dashboard right now, and here it is telling us 4 steps to actually get it all set up. So the first is actually to write a blog. So let's click on write post, and we are there on editing our blog. So I'll write in my first blog, and I'll just add all of the details over here as well. So yeah, I'm done writing my blog, and now let's just click on publish and see our blog live. So here our blog is published. Now we can just click on view blog, and we'll be taken over to our site, which is this particular wixsite.com/alislnk-1. So that is our website, and anyone can view it, anyone can comment over here, anyone can like it, do all sorts of things. So yeah, that was how you create your own blog post with Wix. It would also be listed over here. So if I just go on my website and scroll down over here, you can see my first blog. I'll just like it, and here is the blog itself. So yeah, our blog is published, and this is how you actually publish your own blogs with Wix. Now apart from Wix, we also have WordPress and Ghost.org. These are some of the great options that I saw. WordPress.com and WordPress.org, both of these are two different things, so make sure you check both of them out. Now of course I won't be deep diving into it right in this video because it would take a lot of time. If you want me to create a separate video on those topics, then do write it in the comment section below and I would check it out. By the way, Ghost.org is kind of expensive for people who just want to create their own personal blogs and don't want to be professional bloggers. So yeah, just make sure that when you go on Ghost.org, you also go on the pricing section and actually see if it suits your budget or not. So now that we've covered all of these different methods, now we'll be looking at website code, which is the kind of technical part of this particular document. So this particular part, I would not be coding an entire website right in front of you because it would take hours for me to actually do that. Again, if you want a video on that topic as well, I'm ready to do that. Just write it in the comment section below. But the tech stacks that you can use is JavaScript, CSS, HTML, and you can also use Bootstrap with it. So Bootstrap is a CSS library which makes it really easy. Other than that, you can also use Next.js and Ghost. So Ghost will go for the backend and Next.js will go for the front end. So you can do all sorts of things. Other than that, you can also get free domain and hosting. Now how do you do that is something that I've already covered in this particular video. So just go on YouTube, search for Ali Solanki portfolio. So once you search this thing, you will see the first video as make your portfolio website for free, domain and hosting included. And here I've actually shown you how you can get your own domain and hosting for free. So here as you can see on 2 minutes 09 seconds, I've shown how to get a free domain and free hosting for yourself. So do check this particular video out. I won't be doing it again in this particular video. So if you want to get free domain and hosting, go check that video out. Now once we have a blog published, how do we earn money on it and how much money can we earn? So just to give you a perspective on how much money you can earn, let's just search for another particular blog. So let me just search for best cameras to buy, because this was something that I was doing later in the evening, and I thought of showing this particular thing to you. So if you go to any such particular blogs, you would first notice that there are a lot of ads. Okay, so as you can see, there's this one banner ad, there are some ads on the sides, there are ads all over the place, and these ads are actually kept because the bloggers, they earn through these ads, and these ads can be kept using AdSense. So here I've listed that. Here you can see run ads, Google AdSense. So you can actually earn money through Google AdSense as well. Other than that, there is affiliate income, right? So what exactly is affiliate income? If you go down the blog and see the different cameras that they've listed, they've also listed a particular link over here. So check Amazon, right? So they've listed a link, and this link is an affiliate link. So whenever some person clicks on this link and buys the Canon EOS camera, they will actually get a percentage commission for themselves. So that's how they earn money through affiliate marketing. They also earn money through memberships. So exclusive mailing lists, they actually create their own mailing list. As you can see, subscribe to our notifications for latest news and updates. So here, if you click on subscribe, you can actually enter your email address and subscribe to their mailing list, and that's how they make money basically. So these are the three main sources from where you can earn money. Now, to answer the question of how much money you can make, let's just go over to this particular link. And I was just searching for how much affiliate marketing generates for bloggers, and I landed on this particular blog, which actually has taken a vote from 117 voters, 117 affiliate marketers, and they've anonymously put out that they earn anywhere from $20,000 to over $2 million from affiliate marketing. So yes, you can actually earn that, and I can prove that to you as well, because I actually use affiliate links in my YouTube description as well. So if you go to my description, you would see WazirX, CoinDCX, and all of these different crypto exchanges. I've added their affiliate links as well. Other than that, they've actually gone a step further and segregated all of these affiliate links again to total beginners, low level affiliates. They've also divided it into categories like software affiliate programs earn this much, travel affiliate programs earn this much, and so on and so forth. So go check this particular blog out. It'll be down in the description box below. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video, then you might also like this particular video that I made on how to make your own portfolio website. So do check it out as well.